Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is mass media. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is mass media? Mass media refers to the news and information that reaches a large number of people. While local media, example newspapers and regional television radio stations, serves the needs of the communities or urban areas in which they are located. Okay guys, so this is the end of my short video on what is mass media is all about. Thank you so much for your support by watching, by your likes, comments, suggestions, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.